Practice exercise 3.4. We are once again going to use data set 1. Here we would like descriptive statistics for the ages of the participants. We're going to actually have to do this two ways. We're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Descriptives on Age. But when we run this, you'll see we get the minimum, the maximum, the mean, and the standard deviation. But we don't get the median or the mode. To get the median or mode, we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Run frequencies on age, but under statistics, tell it that we would also like to have the median and the mode. Notice we could have selected everything that we want here: mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, range, as well. Now we will get that the median is 28 and the mode is 23.